Congratulations, you just won your first audiobook. The question you have, though, is should you communicate with your author outside of ACX, or what's the best way to communicate with your author? Hey, I'm Susan Fouché. This is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. Thanks for watching this video. I am going to be moving on with a series of Can Anyone Actually Be an Audiobook Narrator? And, of course, congratulations on your book that you just won. So these are kind of like my best practices for communication with your author. So ACX makes it very, very easy for you and your author to communicate on the platform. But as you're probably seeing, the communication is a bit cumbersome. You send your author a message, and then they're notified via their email that they have a message, and it can get a little bit cumbersome. I do recommend, for communication's sake and just to form a better relationship with your author, that you go ahead and give them your email. And just let them know, hey, if you ever want to reach me outside of email, that's the best way to contact me. And I know, with other authors that I've worked with, we've actually texted with each other, we've called each other, we've done Zoom calls with each other. But the most type of communication I do with my authors is through my personal email. And it's lickety-split. I, get their email right away. They get my email. If I have any questions about pronunciation, anything at all, if they've got any questions, then they can just reach out to email. Also, when it comes time for corrections, because I promise you, you are not going to give them a 100% perfect audiobook, especially on the first time. If you do, let me know. You are amazing if you do. So your author is going to have some corrections that they're going to want you to do for their audiobook. So a great way to get that list of corrections is through email. Have them put it in a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet, something like that, and have them send that to you via email. And that way you can communicate them and say, hey, I fixed chapter 2, I fixed chapter 5, go ahead and listen to it, and we're ready to go. But I do recommend to forge these nice, wonderful long-term relationships with your authors so they keep coming back to you and you don't have to keep on auditioning for them or for anyone else for that matter. Keep it through email, text, phone calls, Zoom calls. Email is just the quickest. But if you do get a nice relationship with an author, hey, a phone number and a text is great. Great, great, great. So I hope this helped. If you are interested in an excellent ACX course, I've got that link in the description for a wonderful course by my friend Anthony Pica. It's a pretty reasonably priced course, and you will learn a lot. Thanks so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you next time. Great job on your audiobook that you won. Take care. Bye.